I'm Robin Greer, President of Catalyst Communications Technologies. For more than 28 years, we've developed innovative solutions for mission-critical communications. Today, I'm pleased to announce that we've integrated our dispatch and interworking products with the new AT&T Fusion mission-critical push-to-talk platform. Fusion is AT&T's recently announced platform for FirstNet and is based on the third-generation partnership project standard for mission-critical push-to-talk. Catalyst has been a partner with AT&T for their FirstNet services, providing solutions and support of push-to-talk for first responders for more than 5 years. Catalyst provides public safety-grade dispatch for FirstNet users through our propulsion console. With our integration with Fusion, we'll also provide technology that provides interworking, enabling communications between users on broadband Fusion with legacy land mobile radio systems. Dispatchers will be able to dispatch to both Fusion users and land mobile radio users to set up mission-critical grade patches between Fusion channels, Fusion groups, LMR talk groups, and LMR channels. I'll invite you to watch a demonstration of our Fusion solution. So what you're seeing is the screen of our propulsion console, as well as the screen of a cell phone that is showing the Fusion application. So just walk you through this again. On the left side is Fusion. Each of these rectangles controls a different talk group on the Fusion broadband push-to-talk system. On the right side is LMR. So this first rectangle that says Kenwood, that controls that donor radio that I showed you earlier. I have two more rectangles for LMR. These are simply simulations, and so you'll see calls randomly coming through as we go through on the demonstration. In the center here is there's a window that has a variety of functions. It's currently showing our call history. And so again, as those simulated calls come through and as the real calls come through, you'll see the caller ID, you'll see a timestamp, you'll see which channel, talk group, which system they were on. I can also use this to select a particular push-to-talk or a series of push-to-talks for playback, so that I can hear what's going on. On the left here are some buttons, some controls for interworking, for patching these groups together. And I failed to mention next to those, this final rectangle here, this is for private calls between to Fusion from the dispatch console. So let me start by making a call, and I'm going to come over here to the Fusion application, which we're simply displaying on this screen. This is not part of the Catalyst console. It's simply here to facilitate this demonstration. And I have a Fusion phone here on this piece of furniture that's wireline connected into my display so that I can show you more easily what's going on. But let me use my mouse to come over, and I'm going to do a push-to-talk from the Fusion phone. And you'll see in the upper left-hand corner a green arrow, and the icon has changed. So I've released it. I'll do it again. It's this this rectangle here is where that call is coming in. So again, when I hit the push-to-talk button on the Fusion phone, the call comes in. I get the user ID, the caller ID of the cell phone that's calling back. Similarly, I can take this phone that I have in my hand. It's not being displayed, but when I do a push-to-talk on it, and let me select, say, the facilities talk group. The call comes through on it, and it's a different ID on that from the ID. If I key up this other phone, you'll see the two phones coming in simultaneously there. So that's the Fusion side, and I'll also show simultaneous audio. So again, I'm gonna key up here with the mobile app that you see. and I'll key up on this second. And so you see two different streams of audio. We can have multiple streams of audio simultaneously going in and out of the Catalyst system. It's not just a single talk group that we support. Again, on the right side is LMR. And so when I take this Kenwood portable radio and I key it up, you'll see on the right-hand side calls coming in on that talk group. I can select that particular resource. I've got a foot switch down here, and I can make a call from the foot switch or make a call from the sort of universal push to talk button here on the screen. Again, full featured console that is used for public safety and others. I've got full control of this Kenwood radio. I can come in here and select any channel, any talk group that's available that's programmed into this radio. To connect LMR to LTE, I can, for inner working, I've got a number of ways to do that. And I'm going to just show here our ad hoc patch, which allows me to select any talk group, any channel that I have available on my console. And when I do that, you'll see that when I make a call from the LMR side, it comes back out on the broadband side, making that inner working call. And same thing when I come in the other direction, when I make a call from broadband, it goes out on LMR. We've got private call here as well, the ability to play back the audio, the ability to simul-select or multi-select calls between broadband and LMR or multiple broadband groups. Thank you for joining this solutions demonstration today. I encourage you to learn more about our products and our integration with Fusion by visiting our website or give us a call. Thank you.